Hi, I'm Siri Daly, author of Seriously Delicious. We have something called treat nights at our house, which are scheduled for Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Why do we limit ourselves to 4 nights? Because we are treataholics and we require moderation. Our passion for dessert is so strong that even non-treat nights have evolved into teeny tiny treat nights with a handful of chocolate chips. In this chapter of my cookbook, Seriously Delicious, you'll find a collection of mouth-watering, delectable desserts that are simple and straightforward. I'm not going to make you sift flour or temper your chocolate because nobody wants to do those things. There are even treats in here that sneak in fruits and veggies like these rainbow popsicles. For the colors, I used blueberries for the blue, strawberries for the red, for the orange I used peaches, and for the green, spinach. And I promise you, you'll barely taste the veggies in here. Now feel free to change up the fruits based on your favorites or by what's in season. For instance, for the peaches, you can always use frozen. To make each layer, you'll blend the fruits and veggies with yogurt, and that creamy base keeps them from melting too quickly. Now this is seriously important. When pouring the mixtures in the popsicle molds, it's helpful to think about which mixtures are thicker than others. Alternate thick and thin mixtures so that the colors don't blend together too much. And if you don't want to make 22 popsicles, swirl the leftover mixture in a glass and drink it as a smoothie or prepare it as a smoothie bowl. Aren't the rainbow colors so fun? Who can say no to these sweet treats?